Hello. Um, Hello. Okay. Hello. Hi, my name is Nalajan, and today I am going to show you one of my projects that I have recently worked on. So, this is basically a Vocalite, which is a real-time meeting transcription tool. So, what I have built, I've created this desktop application that transcribes meetings and conversations in real time. So it basically captures audio from both your microphone and system audio, like Zoom meetings or Teams meetings, and it shows the transcription as people speak. So let me talk about some of the features that I've worked on. So one of the main feature is that it performs a real-time transcription, which means that you will see a text appear instantly when people talk. So you can see like here live transcript, it will show you the text um, when people will talk. Then it has a feature of dual audio capture. So what it does, it records both your microphone and whatever that is being played through your speaker. So it's like system audio. And the third feature is speaker identification. So how does it do? Basically, whatever that is being recorded from your microphone, it makes it as that you are speaking, while every other sound is that someone else is speaking. And then you get a clean output. So basically, once your meeting is completed, everything gets saved in a text file format, which you can further use to generate several insights. Like you can summarize your meetings using different LLM models, etc. So why I built this? The background behind it was um, I was tired of missing important details, like during interviews, during meetings. So I wanted something that could capture everything in real time, and I wanted it open source. I don't want it to be paid. So it's just one desktop application that I could run on the background, and then it will record everything. So how does it work? Basically, I built it using Python with a simple GUI interface, as you can see here. So you have this meeting transcriber where you can just start recording and then stop and save the recording. And then for this, you need like an API key. So I'm using the Grok Cloud model, that is a Whisper model. So you can like set the API key over here. So currently it's already set, and I don't want to change it. So I'll just say no. Okay, so let me show a demo real quick. So when I click on start recording, so it started and you can see real-time recording has been started, and it will take like a few seconds to just um, start the model and then whatever that is being recorded. So as you can see, like as I am speaking, it says at this timestamp I've spoken this particular thing, and then at this timestamp I've spoken this particular thing. So it works in real time. Now let me show the system audio that is it will record. So let me do a YouTube video. Okay. So as you can see, like when I stopped speaking here, the other as a system is being recorded. So this records like the YouTube video. So this is a brief like a demo of the project. So I have packaged it as a standalone executable. So if you have to install it on your device, you don't need to install like dependencies or Python. So it includes like ffmpeg for audio processing, which works great on Windows. So as a result, like I've been using this for my job interviews, basically to create the transcripts, and it's really helpful when you give your transcript to some chat models to generate some insights that it could tell where do you need some improvements, or you can basically give it to the models to review how well you performed in your interviews or your meetings. So this is one of the use case. Now it has some future scope, like I um, I'll be basically involving some more features where we don't have to send it to other chat models. We have the options to directly generate some insights, like summarize the transcripts or something like that. So I'll try to add some features within this. So this was whole project. Thank you.